Hey there, welcome back. Exercise 1.16. Let's get started. This one is a complex one, and let's first see what's in it. So, first, we see here we have three numbers: monthly payment, monthly interest, and loan. So, we have monthly payment is 80. We don't know the currency, but probably not relevant. And the monthly interest is 0.7%, and the loan is 1000. So I assume we need to pay 80 per month and also pay the interest of 0.7% each month until we finish paying the whole amount. So let's see. First, we need to type in the months. So we have January here. And since we are using a Dutch version of Excel, so when we drag it downwards, it should automatically give all the names of other months. So January, JAN, in the English settings probably will not work. Probably you need to write a capital letter of J, but in the Dutch version it works. So now we have January to December and again January, so 13 months. Let's see, move our attention to the next column, and we have debt. So the original debt in the beginning of the period is the same as the total amount. So this one is easy, equal to the total amount. That's okay. And we see how much interest we need to pay, and that is 0.7%. Should we take the loan of 1000 from here, or should we take the input from here? The right one is here, since later on you want this formula to work also in the upcoming sales, and that means this B6 should change to B7 when it comes to the interest of February. So that's it. It's better for us to start with this amount instead of the amount from the original table. So here we have B6 and times. This is the sign for times, and we have the monthly interest. 7, that's the amount. And the monthly payment is, of course, always 80. But within that, we need to deduct the amount of interest. So without interest, what we are really paying for the full amount of the debt is not really 80 in this case, but 80 minus the interest. Okay, so this one is the very last one with the plus signs, so that means this is the last one we need to think about. And if we worked this out, then we can easily drag this one and this one and this one downwards. Then we can finish the table. So we need to rely on these three to be accurate, and the rest will work themselves out. So this one, the beginning of February, how much debt should I still have? So that's the amount of debt in the beginning of January minus the payment at the end of January. Then you will receive the amount that could say end of January, but also the same as beginning of February. So this is the amount 927. Let's try if this will work. Drag everything downwards. It's not working because some input are missing. Let's see if this one will work. Also not. Probably we need to be patient and see if we drag down this one. Probably everything will fall in place. Almost there, but not really. So we see some values, but the majority is still not right. Can you imagine what went wrong? Yes, dollar signs. That's what went wrong. So in the cell B6 refer to B3, and that's a one-time thing. No problem. We don't need to have any dollar sign here. But interest, this B6 we allow it to go downwards, but this B2 we want it to stay there. Press F4. Log both. This should work, but not recommended for the exam. In fact, you will actually lose point for the exam. We only want precisely what's needed in the cell. So what's needed is to lock the row. Since you only drag it downwards, the column will never change anyway. So this one should be fixed. Okay, this helps a little. And let's see if the payment need to be fixed. C6 can be flexible, but B1, yes. Every month you pay 80, and that one is fixed. Again, only fixed by the row is enough. Okay, let's drag it downwards. Oh, it's working for a few lines, so that's a good sign. And also drag this one downwards. That's it. That's a solution for exercise 1.16. A little bit complex. Feel free to watch this video a few times and understand especially where to put the dollar sign, why this payment need to exclude the interest, and see if you achieve the same result as the screenshot on the syllabus. This is exercise 1.16. I will see you in the next video.